Good morning, guys. This is Josiah here, and this morning I woke up and I was thinking, what can I do to get everyone excited? So I decided to make a video on on the application that we created using the proposed algorithm for encryption. So before I start, I would like to thank somebody that had told me that the link on the website, the blockchain.io, the link for the app was broken, and it is now taken care of. Actually, it wasn't broken. It's that the app was not working for something that when people download it and get an OTP, it crashes or something. But now the problem is resolved, so you shouldn't worry about it. I'll go ahead with the video anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm here on my phone. I'm gonna go and download. I'm gonna go and download this thing here quickly. So it's my website. I'm always on LinkedIn. So now I'm going here, blockchain.io. Apparently I have it here on my landing page. So this is it. It's gonna come up shortly. So you scroll down a bit and you see what it says Google Play, Android apps on Google Play. So you long click that. See, when you long click that, you get this. So what you want to do is you go for the one that says download link, which is this one. I just pushed it. Once you push it, it's gonna show you this. This type of file can harm your computer or anything. This is not gonna harm your computer. I put it here. I did it early this morning so that people can have access to it. I put up the site, and you have me on LinkedIn. So don't worry about anything. So just click OK. I don't think it the yeah, just click OK, and I think now you should say open. Yeah, it does open. So I don't know if I want to do the settings, but well, do it anyway. Just go settings and do this, just like I've done it, and go back and install and continue. We're gonna install this in a bit here. So you open it, and it's gonna go through. Just allow. It's gonna say allow locked and access to your contact. Do that. We don't take your information. Everything's encrypted, so you shouldn't worry about all this stuff. We have like zero knowledge to what's on your computer or your device. So let's go down here and turn it on. Well, I do this for some reason. It works. Allow user tracking. I like to see what I'm using. Okay. I like to see how the app is working with other apps that's on the phone, basically. So now we're in the app. Okay. So I just uninstalled this app before now, and I did not restart my phone. That's why once I installed it again, the login was persistent. Okay. So don't think too much about that. It's something that will be taken care of another time. However, what I would do now is to scroll down here and log out. Okay, I'll just log out. And I don't care if you see my password, that's fine. I don't have any secret to hide. Well, now I do. Okay, so I will go. I think I had this here before. And the only thing I can do is put the password, which some of you smart ones can like kind of get it, but I'll fool you guys. So you don't know what I did. I hope it works. It's okay, cool. So I hope this thing works. So apparently I was trying to fool you guys and I fooled myself. But anyway, let's do it again, okay? Okie dokie, let's try. Mm-hmm. Think. Mm-hmm. think. Mm-hmm. I think this time I fooled you guys, all right? Yeah, I fooled you guys, all right, this time. Yay, I did it. I still know somebody will figure it out. They will figure out what I did. So now I'm up here. So this is very amazing. Everybody that I have communicated with in this app, when you're looking at this app, this is what you're gonna see. You can't read it, but then when you click on it, you can actually read what I sent. Okay, I was actually testing my ciphertext using what they call known ciphertext, and I found a whole bunch of tools online I can use to test that. And one of the amazing tools that's out there is what they call Cryptool. And I'll put all this information down below for you to start experimenting and looking at how cryptanalysis works. So I will put it on there. That's another hobby for you. I'm introducing you to it. So now, since I have installed all this, and I wanted to show you what's going on here at the on your default SMS, pretty much. Some of those information that I sent, these are what they look like. These are what they look like. And anybody that I communicated with like this one, these are all they look like. So I recommend that once you install this and you start using the app, that you should be able to like highlight, kind of long click, actually copy your text and send it somewhere. That way you can have access to it. So that way, when you do the analysis, it will be very easy for you. Like for me, I'm gonna go and put this on Telegram, so that when I use it for analysis, it will be very easy for me. I'll just go to Telegram and I take it out. I'll delete it later on. This is just ciphertext. We do what they call known ciphertext. So I don't want to take too much of your time. I don't have a lot of time. I would have spent more time teaching this. However, it is what it is. I will do 2 of this because I'll use it for analysis later on. So now that you've seen how the ciphertext looks like, that we're not making these things up, I will send a message to somebody and I will go under the hood and I will show you what I sent. I don't know what this app is doing right now, but not today. He's gonna do what I ask him to do. All right, we go back. So I have to go back and put it back on this thing. So let's say I go to the website here and I copy randomly all this stuff and I copy it and I come back here and I want to send it to this guy. Apparently that's my number and I paste it here. Oh shoot, that's the old thing that I had. Okay, let's go back out to that website and see what happened. Okay, I long clicked right. Should be able to copy. Okay, I guess it's copied now. I will try this. Same thing. It didn't copy as I thought it would. Okay, let's not worry too much about it. Let's do something else. Maybe we go to yeah, I remember that website is my website. I did it that way. I made sure nobody can copy from it. Okay, let's go to Google and copy something. Online AES site. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Alright, copy. Alright, so this one. It will work. It will work this time, okay? Alright, like I said, it worked. So I sent myself that, and let's check the time. Time is 6:54 a.m. So I'm gonna go to my default, and I'm gonna show you what it is. It looks like, okay? If you remember, it says my BIZN 2. Okay, this is it. 6:54 a.m. right here. So makes sense. Look at the date. Okay. Thursday, September 26th. So this is just about what I wanted to show. So now you can play with this ciphertext by running it all across all these cipher engines, cryptanalytic engines that's out there. So you can get an idea of whether it's substitution cipher, transposition cipher, what the numbers are doing under the hood, so you can get a grasp what the entropy is. Why is it doing this? Why is it changing too much? Why is it changing every time you send a message? So that again, I would like to show you. Now you see the cipher text here. I'll try to send the same message again. I still have it in my clipboard. And yeah, this is very interesting. You're gonna like this. I still have it on my clipboard right here. I'm gonna end once I show you that. I'm gonna end it at that once I show you that there. I will just end it right there. Okay. I hope I haven't performed anything illegal here. Let me see. Okay. Oh, I'm not supposed to go to the money. I'm supposed to just go here. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to the app again, as you can see. So I come back here and I paste the same message again and I send it out. Check the time, 6:56 a.m. All right, I am going to go to the default SMS and show you what I got. Remember, it was still this one, 6:56 a.m. So now look at the message here. How can we know it's different? Is the question. How can we know? How can we know? Is there any telltale sign that can show me it's different? I can't see the difference, but it's somewhere here. It's there. It's there. It's a lot of difference. But I'll go back and I'll try it again to see if there's any difference. Okay. Now there is difference. We can see it for a fact that is different. Instead of hoping in minute different, but this is very clear. You see that? And you see here is clearly different. But the message is the same. This is the strength of what we're doing. This is a game changer for all those who know what this means. So every time you send a message, it's changing. This is what we want. This is what we want to achieve. It goes beyond the stipulations and the prediction of the modern day crypto system. It says that for any plain text, and there's also a cipher text, but for any plain text and where n is equal to 1, there's also a cipher text. There's also m where m is also equal to 1. However, in this case, what we're seeing is very strange. You have a cipher text, one cipher text, and we have, you have a plain text, and we have a bunch of cipher text. This is crazy. So we have to rethink of what we're doing. But I really thank you guys this morning for watching, and support us. We keep pushing forward with the project. Thank you. Bye bye.